Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to redirect a domain in Cloudflare using the 2026 dashboard layout. Let's get started. First, log in to your Cloudflare account at dash.cloudflare.com. After logging in, click on your domain from the main dashboard. Now look at the left sidebar menu. Click on Rules. Under the Rules section, click on Overview. On the Overview page, click the blue button that says Create Rule and choose Redirect Rules. Now you'll see the Rules Setup screen. Step 1. Rule Name. Click inside the Rule Name field and type something like Domain Redirect. Step 2. When incoming requests match. If you want to redirect the entire domain, click on the drop-down that says Select Condition and choose All Incoming Requests. If you want to redirect a specific domain only, click Add Condition, choose Hostname, Operator, select Equals. In the Value field, type your domain, for example, example.com. Step 3. Then do this. Under Action, click the drop-down and select Static Redirect. Now you'll see the Target URL field. In the Target URL box, enter the website you want visitors redirected to. For example, https://newdomain.com. If you want to keep the same page structure, enter https://newdomain.com/$URI. Next, you'll see Status. Click the drop-down and choose 301 Permanent Redirect, recommended, or 302 Temporary Redirect. After everything looks correct, go to the bottom right corner and click the blue button that says Save and Deploy. Cloudflare will show a confirmation message, and your redirect will go live within a few seconds. And that's it. That's how you redirect a domain in Cloudflare